Welcome you all for the course introduction session of microprocessor, second year computer engineering. I am Dr. Preeti Metange, working as an associate professor in Department of Computer Engineering, Institute of Engineering, Bhujbal Knowledge City. Microprocessor is the heart of the computers or the laptops, so it's necessary to study this subject. In this course introduction, we will see prerequisite for the microprocessor, course outcomes and course contents. Prerequisite for the microprocessor is digital electronics and logic design subject knowledge. The course outcomes are, on completion of this course, student will be able to exhibit skills of assembly language programming for the application, classify processor architectures, illustrate advanced features of 80386 microprocessor, compare and contrast different process modes, use interrupts mechanism in applications, differentiate between microprocessors and microcontrollers, identify and analyze the tools and techniques used to design, implement and debug microprocessor based systems. Let us see the syllabus of microprocessor. Unit 1, Introduction of 80386. Brief history of Intel microprocessor, 80386DX features and architecture, programmer's model, operating modes, addressing modes and data types. Application instruction set, which contains data movement instructions, binary arithmetic instructions, decimal arithmetic instructions, logical instructions, control transfer instruction, string and character transfer instructions, instructions for block structure language, flag control instruction, coprocessor interface instructions, segment register instructions and miscellaneous instructions. Unit 2, Bus cycles and system architecture, in which we see initialization, processor state after reset, functional pin diagram, functionality of various pins, I/O organization, memory organization, basic memory read and write cycles with timing diagram. System architecture, system registers, system instructions. Unit 3, Memory management. Global descriptor tables, local descriptor tables, interrupt descriptor tables, GDTR, LDTR, IDTR, formats of descriptors and selectors, segment translation, page translation, combining segment and page translation. Unit 4 consists of protection, need of protection, overview of 80386DX protection, mechanism, protection rings and levels, privilege instructions, concept of DPL, CPL, RPL, EPL, interprivilege level transfer using call gates, confirming code segments, privilege levels and stacks, page level protection, combining segments and page level protection. Unit 5, Multitasking and virtual 8086 mode. Multitasking consists of task state segment, TSS descriptor, task register, task gate descriptor, task switching and linking, task address space. Virtual mode features memory management in virtual mode, entering and leaving virtual mode. Unit 6 comprised of interrupts, exceptions and introduction to microcontrollers. In interrupts and exceptions, identifying interrupts, enabling and disabling interrupts, priority among simultaneous interrupts and exceptions, interrupt descriptor table, interrupt task and interrupt procedure, error code and exception conditions. Introduction to microcontroller, in which we will see architecture of typical microcontroller, difference between microprocessor and microcontroller, characteristics of microcontroller and applications of microcontroller. Thank you.